The easiest way for beginners to install baseboards with no gaps is to prioritize careful measuring, slow cutting, and methodical fitting before fastening. Start by measuring each wall segment twice and mark the baseboard precisely, then cut slowly with a sharp miter saw set at the correct angle for inside and outside corners. For inside corners, use coping rather than relying on perfect 90-degree cuts. Cut one board square to the corner and cope the adjoining piece by cutting the profile so it fits tightly over the face of the first board. Dry fit every piece on the wall and at each joint, adjusting the length and angle until the boards meet without visible gaps. Then apply a thin bead of construction adhesive along the back where contact is poor to fill voids and reduce movement. When joining straight runs, use a small amount of liquid activator or contact cement at the joint if using trim adhesive so the seam locks as you press the pieces together, keeping pressure for the recommended set time. Fasten with finishing nails placed into studs or into the top edge of the baseboard at an acute upward angle to pull the trim tight, and set nails below the surface so paintable wood filler can hide them. Before painting, run a thin bead of paintable acrylic caulk along both the top edge and any tiny visible seams to create a uniform, gap-free appearance. Common mistakes are cutting too quickly, which leads to uneven or oversized pieces, so slow down and verify angles by dry fitting first. Over-reliance on perfect wall squareness, so cope inside corners and use caulk to compensate for small irregularities. And only nailing without adhesive, which can leave small voids and popping later, so use both adhesive at problem spots and nails for mechanical hold. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and read local experiences about projects like baseboard installation. We help contractors find work and homeowners find people to hire while fostering conversation and practical advice among members.